Look, Carla, I'm a map maker too.
What kind of map is it, Tomas?
My name is Captain Tomas. I'm a pirate map maker, and this is my treasure map.
Well, Captain Tomas, pirate map maker, this is a great start.
Start? It's all done. Now how about you try to find my buried treasure?
That sure sounds like fun. But if I'm going to find the treasure, there's a lot of useful and important information you need to add to your map.
Like what?
Well, there are lots of different types of maps that can give you all sorts of information. Some maps show the continents and oceans and countries in the world. But maps can also show you things you would see if you lived in those countries, like mountains, forests, deserts, rivers, and lakes. Like this map of the United States I'm working on. I'm making this map to show people some of the interesting parts of the United States. Over here are the Appalachian Mountains, and these here are some of the major rivers, like the Mississippi, which is one of the longest rivers in the world. Here are the Great Lakes. This flat area here is called Central Plains. And over here are the Rocky Mountains and Sierra Nevada Mountains. This area here is all desert. And up here are huge forests.
What's down there in the corner?
That's called a legend. It shows the different symbols you see on the map, and it explains them. These symbols show you where the mountains, grasslands, forests, deserts, lakes, and rivers are. Sometimes the legend is called the key because it gives key information about the map.
What's that?
That's called a compass rose.
Why do you have a flower on your map?
It's not an actual rose, but it does sort of look like a flower, doesn't it? A compass rose shows the directions, so you can tell where something is compared to something else. See? That's north, east, south, and west. So you can use the compass rose on this map to see that the Appalachian Mountains are east of the Rocky Mountains. The country of Canada is north of the United States. The country of Mexico is south of the United States.
You're right. I guess my treasure map is missing a whole bunch of information. Arrgh!
That's okay, Captain Tomas. Just add more details to your map, and then I'll try to find the buried treasure.
Too late. Looks like my first mate already dug it up.
And he didn't even need a map.